Oh my God.
Can you tighten this thing up here a little bit? Okay, guys. There it is. It just exploded.
Look at that.
Hey, it just exploded everywhere. Look at this. Completely in half.
It just died.
This completely just exploded in half and everything.
Bro. What?
Listen about that. In case you're wondering what it tastes like,
It tastes like watermelon.
that's a good watermelon. That is a good one.
That's a good watermelon.
It is all over me, guys. Got it. Cheapest got it on. Cheapest got it. That is amazing.
That's some chunky watermelon.
Yeah. Yeah, that one. Guys, the GGs have stopped. This is the part we should be going nuts. We just exploded. You guys were here. You saw this. We should be going nuts right now with the GGs and everything.
Hold on. Where'd the rubber bands go? They just... Did they, like, evaporate? That's the same amount we had before.
The rubber bands are missing, guys. Where do the rubber bands go?
Remember when Mom said, oh my gosh, it's right here!
All of them?
Look at this!
Look at this, guys. Look at that. That is from... This is what happens. It flew off. This is the rubber bands from it. Is that insane? Guys, make sure those likes keep going. Let's get to 2 million. Let's get to 2 million before
I thought it was like a wasp hive over there.
Okay, here.
This is
awesome. Crazy. They did not evaporate. This is it, guys.
I literally...
This is what comes off.
Wasp hive.
Oh, man. Some people say I missed it.